Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today's video I have bring you something called aluminum alloy housing case for your GoPro 9, and this is a protective case with the shoe to mount your mic or light or something like that. So it says here aluminum alloy housing case, and it's for GoPro Hero 9. Company name is TELESIN, and I bought this for 30 bucks at Amazon. So I think it's a great product. I just gonna give you some rundown about on this. So well, this is what it looks like. It's aluminum housing. So you have two mounting brackets here, one here and one here. So you can mount your mic receiver here, and the light at this side, and this would be for your power button, and that's the recording button up here, and that's your battery cover. But the unique thing about this that they have shipped this with a battery cover for GoPro 9, where you don't have to take out the battery cover to charge your you don't have to leave it open to charge your GoPro battery. If you are running it longer than the battery life, you can keep charging your battery while you're recording. So this is a great thing which came with it. I think they sell this separately. I don't know how much is it, but I bought it like I guess in a combo, whatever it's called. I don't know, but it came in a packaging like this. It came in a packaging like that, and then in a box. I've already shown you. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna put this in cage. I'm gonna put the GoPro Hero 9 in the cage. So what we do, we'll take this door off, and it's easy to take our GoPro Hero 9 door off. Just go open it up all the way up there, or keep opening it until you hear the click, and it will come off. And what you do is you'll take your housing, and you will insert your camera this way, and then you at the back you will close down your housing like that. So that is your power button, record button, and now you have a battery. So this is what it came with. So I will install this right up here. So there you go. So you install this one on it, and now you have a direct you don't need to open this, keep this door open to charge your battery in a GoPro. So I like this product very much, because what happens is this will save your GoPro a little bit, because if you guys are using it, because most of the people use this for sports shooting and stuff like that, so a lot of bruises, and probably a lot of them it fell down on the ground. So it will definitely protect your edges to edge everywhere. The only thing which is not protected is your lens cover, and you can always replace this lens cover by another one. Another thing is this doesn't fold, the legs doesn't fold like you know how that in GoPro 9, this one doesn't fold, so you have to install these with two screws here, and that's it. So easy to take this door off. You just you can't like how we open this we bring it down and we open this on our original GoPro 9 door. This one you just pull this string and it covers opens like that. So this is a good feature. I like this battery door in here. And I guess happy filming all GoPro's fans out there and people who make GoPro videos. I use my GoPro for my driving videos, so I don't use it very rough. It just stationary on my dash, just stays like this. But so this is all it is in this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and press that bell icon button. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good day.